Ever notice how keeping a smooth Brazilian wax feels like a full-time job? Spring brings fast regrowth, summer adds sun sensitivity, and winter brings dry, itchy skin. In this video, I'm sharing simple, season-specific tips to make waxing easier and keep you confident and smooth all year long. Getting a Brazilian wax is one thing, but maintaining that flawless look through all 4 seasons. That's where many of us struggle. Different weather and even changes in daylight can affect hair growth and how our skin reacts to waxing. Today, we'll go season by season, showing you how to prep, protect, and pamper your skin. These tips will help you stay irritation-free and silky smooth, no matter what month it is. Spring is like hitting the refresh button for your body. Warmer weather and hormonal changes can make hair grow faster than usual. To keep up, book your waxing sessions a little more frequently. A few days before your appointment, hydrate your skin daily. 1 or 2 days before your wax, gently exfoliate to remove dead skin and help the wax grab every hair. Think of it as spring cleaning, but for your skin. Summer is all about swimsuits and sunshine, but waxing in hot weather can be tricky. After a fresh wax, your skin is more sensitive, which makes it easier to burn. Always apply a good sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher, before heading out. After waxing, use aloe vera gel to calm redness and irritation. Stick to fragrance-free moisturizers to keep your skin happy. Skip tight shorts or bikinis for at least a day to avoid those painful little bumps. Fall gives us a bit of a break because hair growth usually slows down. You might notice you don't need appointments as often. But cooler air can still dry out your skin. Switch from light summer lotions to a thicker moisturizer to lock in hydration. Avoid harsh soaps that strip your skin. Gentle cleansers will help you stay smooth longer. Winter is the season of cozy sweaters, and unfortunately, dry, flaky skin. Cold air and indoor heating pull moisture out of your skin, making waxing uncomfortable. Combat this by drinking plenty of water every day. Take warm, not hot, showers to soften your skin before appointments. After showering, apply a rich cream or body butter while your skin is still damp. This seals in hydration and keeps irritation away. And there you have it, a simple, year-round routine for Brazilian waxing. By tweaking your care each season, you'll stay smooth, soft, and confident every single day. I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest waxing struggle? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a self-care tip.